Welcome back. Around 800 MPT workers staged outside the MPT complex on Wednesday. They were agitated as MPT has freezed dearness allowance to the employees. Workers have given deadline till 15th or have threatened of severe agitation. Workers have a problem with MPT's chairman and the deputy chairman. They have demanded their transfer.
मुरमुंगा पोटरसान जी एवरी क्वार्टरली जी आमची DA वाडटा ह्या पाटी 3.18% आमची DA वाडलेली मिनिमम 300 ते मॅक्झिमम 1000 रुपया पासून आमकां एकल्याक मेळपा जाय आसली ती DA ह्या म्हयन्याच्या पगारान आमची फ्रीज केल्ली आसा. कायद्यान ही DA मॅनेजमेंटान फ्रीज करपाक जायना. मॅनेजमेंटा कडेन खंयच्याच कायद्यान ही DA फ्रीज करपाक रायट ना आनी ताका लागून आज हे आमचे कामदार रस्त्यार येयल्ले आसा. 15 तारखेर आमी अर्दे वर काम बंद करून आज आमी काम बंद करूंक ना. काम बंद करून आमी हिंगा सगळे लोकांक आपयतले आनी मॅनेजमेंटाक दाखोवन दितले आमी तुमच्या डिसिजनाचेर अगेन्स्ट आसा म्हणून. सरकारा कडेन पयशे हेंच्यांनी मागूंक जाता. आमकां JMPTन पयशे दिता म्हूण सांगल्या 100 करोड. आमकां दुसऱ्या पोटांनी हेल्प करता म्हूण सांगला पूण चेअरमॅन कांयच पावलां उबारुना. चेअरमॅन फक्त आपणाक जाय तशें करता. मुरमुंगा पोर्ट वो काबार करूंक चेअरमॅन येयलो. चेअरमॅन येयलो गोंयकारांक रस्त्यार उडोवपाक येयलो. ताका लागून आमी तिनूय खासदारांक अपील करतले की भारत सरकारा कडेन शिपिंग सेक्रेटरी कडेन माग म्हणून ह्या चेअरमॅनाक आनी सेक्रेटरीक हिंगासून इमिजिएटली रिकॉल करचो म्हणून.
Union has also highlighted some of the irregularities in the port premises.
रेल्वे जी आसा ते एक अननोन मनीस कोणाकूच खबर ना की तो कोण ताका कोणे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिलो. आमच्या पोर्टर्सा कडेन मॅनेजमेंटा कडेन कांयच ना. चेअरमॅन माझ्या कडेन कॉपी मागता. जे पोर्टर्साचे ऑफिसर आणि JSWचे ऑफिसर जे बिली बगत करता एक दीस हे भाणे भायर सरतले लाखांनी रुपया हे लोटता आणि थंय ऍक्सिडेंट जालो म्हणटकीर आमच्या कामदारांक सस्पेंड करता.
Surendra Madkekar for Prudent.
Bajaj Alliance Junior Football Camp begins its search for young and budding footballers from Wednesday. Camp will select 7 football players between age group of 14 years to 16 years. Selected 7 will be sent to Thailand for training with FC Bayern Munich coaches and players. The camp will be held in Thailand from 28th to 30th June.
This year we are talking about 7 candidates going there. Only the location is different. However, we are talking about the same coaches coming and giving this training. And that would be in Thailand. During these 3 days, the FC Bayern coaches would do their best to show them some tricks which probably would help them in the long run.
We would like to get our boys exposed to coaches from abroad and training methodology that is available in other parts of the world where football has progressed to a very high level. And for that we are already in the process of shortlisting some foreign coaches or foreign technical advisors to do the job for us. But this opportunity, like is being presented by Bajaj Alliance, is a great opportunity to see that our very Goan youth go and get exposed.
Now FIFA is seriously looking to India as the powerhouse that is actually sleeping and is actively trying to wake it up, and it is in a small measure that is efforts like these that come forth will definitely help in the situation.
Today things are totally different for the youngsters. We are having so many good pitches in Goa today. Rest of the turf has been laid artificially in Duler and more are yet to come. So these kids won't have any difficulty in future. And I'm very happy that the young kids are being exposed, which was missing over the years.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.